Ladies, did you know that this is one of the best things you can put on your neck if you want it to age its best, and also your chest and your face? Honey is a natural exfoliant and it's extremely gentle. So it has natural enzymes that exfoliate your skin really gently. You don't have to put on all those acids and all the stuff that can actually dehydrate your skin. It can degrade your skin barrier and make it age faster. And it's a humectant, so it gives your skin a ton of moisture. There is one thing you have to do after this though, or the moisture won't stick around, but here's how you do a honey mask for your neck. This is from a series called Get Your Neck Back, and it teaches you how to reverse visible aging on your neck. You take honey and you apply it to your neck. Nice thick layer. Try not to get your hair in it. Put on a nice thick layer all over the area of your neck that is looking crepey or that you want to avoid looking crepey. Anything you want to exfoliate. And once you've done that, let it sit there for 20 to 30 minutes. And then after 20 to 30 minutes, should be good to go. You just get a washcloth with some warm water on it, and you can keep rinsing this off in the sink. Honey dissolves really nicely in water, and you just kind of pat all of this away until it is gone, 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 baby. All right, now you have a really crucial window before this beautiful moisture is going to dissipate out of your skin and dry it up more. So I'm gonna take my roller ball here with the skin oil that helps build collagen. I have made a blend if you wanna see that. Everything is down in the post, including the honey mask recipe and some really cool bonuses you can put in the honey mask to help your skin age even better and look amazing. So you got to cover this with some sort of oil or balm. That is going to seal in that moisture and let you keep all of the beautiful benefits of this honey mask. It feels so soft and so amazing already. All right, all the info's down in the post. Go check that out. I'm Sadie, I'm 54, and I teach women how to age fiercely all naturally. Go ahead and give me a follow if you're not following yet, because every post is gold. And here we have fun aging fiercely. See you later.